Hello students, myself Srinivasan. Today I am going to take a topic, IP topic. That is, the topic is today's Pandas data frame. The term data frame actually related with another term that is known as data science. Now, how you can understand this data science? Data science means the analysis and the entire system of management of data is actually known as data science. Without the data science, one cannot manage the entire data. So if I say data science, it has many phases. The phases are the collection of data. First phase is collection of data. There are many ways through which one can collect the data. One can use the manual method also. Otherwise, one can use the digital devices. So one can collect the data. One can use Excel, one can use MySQL. So there are many systems through which one can collect the data. So the data science starts with the collection of data. The second step is the analysis of data. Analysis of data. So if data is just stored in our machine or in our drive. So the question is what we can do with that data. So this is a big question and the data has to be analyzed. So what is the meaning of analysis of data? Until you have analysis of the data, one cannot generate information. And in general, the technology, the computer tools and the softwares, different types of methods are available in the information technology that through which they analyze the data. Ultimate goal of analysis of data is to generate information. Generate information. To generate information. Now, the generation of information in many ways. The first phase is text-based information. Text-based information. Text-based information. That means a written text is there and one can understand by seeing the text-based data. Then after, the second method of information is through visual images. Now what is visual images? Visual images does not mean there is a picture. Actually here the visual images means after the text-based information, the entire data is to be processed and generate the statistical images. There are many types of statistical images we know very well. I want to take some of the name is like pie chart, like bar graph, like column graph. So these are the statistical. So why statistical? Actually the entire statistical pictures, statistical views, statistical graphs are actually to describe the trend of the data, how data is to be trained over there, and one can compare one data with another data. It's very good. Suppose example is there. Suppose there is a sales analysis. Suppose let's take example 2019. Company have different type of sales, and another year again the sales is there. So how one can understand which year have the better sales? So, but analyzing the present year's data with the previous year's data, one can easily locate or easily understand which year's data is much better output. So these are the things through which one can understand the data science. So entire process is the data science. Now here, what is the role of Python here? Another question is, Although the analysis of data, that means the word data science, is not only stick with the Python, one can apply the entire method in any of the computer languages. But nowadays Python is more popular, and it's very easy to very easy to follow the entire process of data science. Entire process of data science. Because Panda have a rich library, one can easily call the codes, and the platform in which all the collection of data, the analysis data is to be there, is to be easily recognized by these Python pandas. And if I think about the entire data, so entire data is in two ways. One is one-dimensional way, another is the two-dimensional way. So the Panda understand both type of structured data, the one-dimensional structure as well as two-dimensional structure, and very easy to describe the data also. So that is the main purpose of data science, and one can use Panda to implement the data science effectively. So that's why the data science is nowadays very popular term, and Python Panda is associated with that term to describe and analysis of data science. Thank you.